Hi everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into managing blood sugar levels, especially for those with diabetes. Your morning beverage can significantly impact your blood sugar control throughout the day. Let's explore the top 5 morning drinks that stabilize blood sugar levels and provide countless health benefits. First up, we have lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm or room temperature lemon water can be incredibly beneficial for your blood sugar levels. Lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body, which is crucial for overall health, including blood sugar regulation. Lemon water is a natural diuretic, helping flush out toxins and excess water weight, indirectly supporting healthy blood sugar metabolism. Staying hydrated is essential for everyone, but even more so for individuals managing diabetes. Dehydration can lead to spikes in blood sugar, so keeping yourself hydrated is key. A 2007 study found that increased hydration was linked to lower blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. So next time you're looking for a simple yet effective way to start your day, give lemon water a try. For all you coffee lovers, black coffee, enjoyed in moderation and without sugar, can be a great addition to a diabetic-friendly lifestyle. Black coffee is packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and improve insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that coffee consumption may be linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A 2014 meta-analysis found that each daily cup of coffee was associated with a 7% reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. However, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can lead to increased blood sugar and insulin resistance. Be mindful of how your body reacts to coffee. Some may experience a temporary spike in blood sugar due to caffeine. Stick to black coffee or use a natural low-calorie sweetener like stevia sparingly if needed. Pay attention to how your body responds to coffee and adjust your consumption accordingly. Another fantastic morning drink option is chia seed water. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals. Their impressive fiber content, especially soluble fiber, helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion. Chia seeds can also help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management, another important factor in blood sugar control. Incorporating chia seed water into your morning routine is easy. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a glass of water and let them soak. You can add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for flavor or some fresh berries for an extra antioxidant boost. Many people in the diabetes community swear by chia seed water for its simple, natural, and effective benefits. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Next, we have apple cider vinegar, a drink used for centuries for its potential health benefits. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has positive effects on blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest it may improve insulin sensitivity, particularly after meals. Research found that consuming vinegar with a high carbohydrate meal significantly improved insulin sensitivity in individuals with insulin resistance. Apple cider vinegar may also slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. Start with a small amount, about 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in a full glass of water. Drinking undiluted apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel, so always dilute it before consuming. Consult with your healthcare provider before adding apple cider vinegar to your diet. Last but not least, we have green tea, renowned for its numerous health benefits, including supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have significant anti-diabetic effects. EGCG, a well-studied catechin, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and protects pancreatic cells. A 2013 meta-analysis found that green tea consumption was associated with significant reductions in fasting blood sugar levels and HbA1c levels. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is easy. Steep a green tea bag or loose leaf tea in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Enjoy it hot or cold, and add a squeeze of lemon or some fresh mint leaves for an extra twist. Be mindful of adding any sweeteners, as they can negate the blood sugar benefits. Green tea is a delicious and versatile beverage that can be a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly lifestyle. So there you have it, our top 5 morning drink recommendations for supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Starting your day with a healthy beverage is a simple yet powerful step towards better blood sugar control and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Let us know in the comments which drinks you're excited to try. Until next time, stay healthy.